When you hear marketing automation, it can sound scary, like something only big teams do. But honestly, it's just a simple set of steps you teach a system to do for you. In this video, we will walk through GoHighLevel marketing automation step by step so you can set up useful flow that saves time and actually bring customer closer to buying. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where I make business tools simple so you can work smarter, not harder. And check the link in the description or the pinned comment for free trial and the special deals. If you use my link from the description, then you can use the free trial up to 30 days. So check the description and grab that extended link. Okay, first let's start with the trigger. This is the thing that makes the automation begin. A trigger could be a visitor filling out a landing page, or someone booking a call, or a new contract being added to your list. Think of the trigger as the first domino. In GoHighLevel, you choose that trigger and then build what happens next. After a trigger, send a fast welcome. So when a lead sign up, the next step should be an instant email or SMS that thanks them and gives the value right away, or a free guide, a booking link, or a short video. The idea is to reply while they still remember you. In the platform, you drag the email or SMS step into the workflow. Just write a short friendly message and use a merge tag so it feels personal. Now added a follow-up path. Not everyone replies to the first message, so build a sequence. A reminder SMS the next day, an email 2 days later with another useful tip, and maybe a final check-in after a week. So use simple delay between messages so you don't spam people. In GoHighLevel, you can set waits and the condition checks. For example, only send the second message if they didn't click the first one. This keeps your automation smart and respectful. Next, use the tag and the pipeline move to the organized lead. If someone clicks your booking link, tag them inserted and move them into a booked call in the pipeline stage. If they don't engage, tag them cold and move them into a long-term nurture sequence. Tags help you to filter contact later and run targeted campaign without rebuilding flow. Also, automate tasks for yourself or your team. If a lead reaches high intent, maybe they filled a pricing form. Automatically create a task and assign it to a human. That way, human action happens only when it truly matters. Don't forget the appointment reminder and no-show follow-up. Automate calendar confirmations, 1 day and 1 hour reminders by SMS and the email. And if someone misses the call, send a polite reschedule sequence. This reduces no-shows and keep the pipeline moving. Finally, measure and iterate. Use GoHighLevel reports to see open rate, the click rate, booking, and conversations. Start small, test one workflow, and watch the number for a week. Then tweak subject line, or the message timing, or the call to action. Over the time, you will see small changes compound into the real growth. So to recap, pick a clear trigger, send an instant welcome message, and timed of the follow-ups with your smart conditions. Then tag the people and move leads through the pipeline. Automate tasks or the reminders, then measure and improve. So keep each automation focused on simple at first. Complexity can come later. If you want to try these flows yourself, check the link in the description or the pinned comment for a free trial of the GoHighLevel and start building your first automation today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.